So hello everyone, hope you are safe and sound at your homes. So as you know that we are doing direct and indirect speech. This is your chapter number 20 of grammar book. So today we are going to do the different types of rules which will help you to change the direct speech into indirect speech. So we have already done how to change the tense while changing the direct speech into indirect speech. We have done present tense before, and now we are going to do different types of other rules. So let's continue, dear students. See, you can take the screenshot also. Is is changed into was were when we change the direct speech into indirect speech, and was were is changed into had been. And if we get had been in direct speech, there will be no change in indirect speech. Simple present changes into simple past as we have done before. Do changes into did. Simple past changes into past perfect, and did changes into had done. Has have is changed into had when we change the direct speech into indirect speech. Had has no change at all. Past perfect, if we get in the direct speech, it has no change when we change the direct speech into indirect speech. So if we get, suppose, had done in the direct speech, it will remain as it is, means to say had done in indirect speech also. Will or shall is changed into would when we change the direct speech into indirect speech. And in certain cases, shall might be changed into should. Okay. कुछ ऐसे केसेस भी हैं जिनमें हम शैल को शुड में भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. And may and can will be changed into might, and could. May will be changed into might, and can will be changed into could. Would, should, might, could. If we get these verbs, these helping verbs in the direct speech, there will be no change in the indirect speech. Ought to, used to, and must is changed into had to when we change the direct speech into indirect speech. So now let's do some examples. Direct speech says, Suresh said Anuj is very successful. Now you can see here Suresh is the subject. So Suresh said that. तो अनुज जो है वो थर्ड पर्सन है, एंड थर्ड पर्सन वी हैव डन द रूल ऑलरेडी दैट थर्ड पर्सन नो चेंज. 1 2 3 SON according to this rule there will be no change when we get the third person in direct speech. So Suresh said that Anuj was very successful, as is changed into was when we get it when we change the direct speech into indirect speech. Second sentence, Suresh said Anuj was very successful. So here you can see that was or were is changed into had been. Alright. So the sentence, how will we change it? Suresh said that Anuj had been very successful. Suresh said, the third example, Suresh said Anuj works independently. So the indirect speech says, Suresh said that Anuj worked independently, as we are getting V1, that is the simple present tense in the direct speech. So while changing it into indirect speech, we will change it into simple past. Fourth example, Suresh said Anuj worked independently. So the indirect speech would be like, Suresh said that Anuj had worked independently. यहाँ पे अनुज जो वर्ड है, अनुज जो पर्सन है, दैट इज़ द सब्जेक्ट, तो वो मिसिंग है. So, but we will not miss it at all. We will write it while writing the answer of this question. So, V2 we are getting in simple past and it will be changed into past perfect. तो इसको हम कैसे चेंज करेंगे? Had worked में. So, Suresh said that Anuj had worked independently. Next example, Suresh said Anuj had worked independently. Now you can see here that we are getting V3, that is the simple past tense, had plus V3. So, sorry, we are getting past perfect tense in direct speech. So, it will remain as it is while changing it into indirect speech. Suresh said Anuj had worked independently. It will remain as it is because past perfect there is no change. Suresh said Anuj will be quite happy. So Suresh said that Anuj would be quite happy because will and shall will be changed into would. Now see, Suresh said Anuj must learn computers. So Suresh said that Anuj had to learn computers because the verb must will be changed into had to. So this is the rule, and according to this rule we have to change the verb must into had to. So hope students you have understood it well, and if you have any query, any doubt, that we will discuss in the online session. So thank you very much students. Thanks for listening to me and thank you very much.